Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to enable dark mode in your LinkedIn account. Make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have already logged into your LinkedIn account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. LinkedIn is an American business and employment oriented online service that operates via websites and mobile apps. Now let's get started. Open your LinkedIn app. Here we go. Your profile appears. At the top right corner, you can see settings. Tap on that. Now you will be seeing different options. Go to account preferences option. Tap on that. Again, you will be seeing different options. Now tap on dark mode option. You can see that here my app is running in light mode, but by tapping on dark mode, you have easily enabled dark mode in this app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.